Use the equation to find dy over dx. For y cosine x equal to x squared plus y squared. Dy over dx is going to be negative differential of f over x divided by the differential of f over y, or minus fx divided by fy. Let me make myself some more room to write. Let's let f of xy be set equal to y cosine of x minus x squared minus y squared, which we know equals 0, just from our definition. From our equation, we have dy over dx equal to fx, fy, negative. So we get negative y sine x minus 2x divided by cosine of x minus 2y. Dy over dx, just simplifying that a bit, we have 2x plus y sine of x divided by cosine of x minus 2y.